All right. Hello, guys. Welcome to my live video. Yes, I told you guys that my new video is coming very soon. I went to shoot, so I just finished shooting today, and hopefully the video will be ready next week for upload. So as you're anticipating for the video is coming your way big time. All right, so all my subscribers, old, new, you're all welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe. Always hit the like button, subscribe. Bad, so I'm just trying to fix it, so I'm sorry about that. So as I'm saying, my new video is coming up, and what you saw there, that is the picture for the video that I went to shoot today, and I'm so excited because I was able to shoot that video. To me, I got some nice clips here. I went to the farm, I went to the place where I wanted to shoot, and everything was successful. There was no challenge. The camera was functioning very well. The DOP, my team, they were doing a great job. So like I said before, I was going to travel, so I traveled because I want to make this video, and that is why I'm here. Even tomorrow too, I'm still going somewhere to shoot. Yeah, I'm still going somewhere to shoot more videos. So more videos are coming big time, non-stop. We shoot. Because content creating is great, especially creating content on YouTube. And to me, once again, you're welcome. Let's know where you're watching us from, so that we can greet you specially. Share, comment, like our videos, let's know where you're watching from. And yeah, sometimes do you love this channel? This question is hard, but you have to throw it. Do you love this channel? Yeah. Everybody needs to bring his or her own opinion. So let's see how the votes will go. So like I said, my new video is gonna be ready next week, and anybody that is watching me, all my subscribers, just get ready for the new video. It's a lovely video that you watch and then you enjoy. It's all about a young guy who is manufacturing bikes, like some bikes, like let's say old bikes. A car KT professional, Now he takes old bikes, then give them life. So he has done a lot of construction, and he has good hands. Only one guy, he's a mechanic, he's a panabiter, he's a painter, he does electrical work too, you know, he does everything. And I went to his workshop today and I interviewed him, and he's a great guy who has a good vision, who believes in the beauty of Africa, who believes that in Africa everything is possible, even here in Nigeria. And the guy is in Benue State. Here in Benue State, Boko, Benue State. And the guy is very good. And if you see what he has done, and somebody started as a motorcycle mechanic, then from there he transformed to be can I call it a bike designer? Yes, he's transformed to be a bike designer or bike constructor or an innovator. Yes, some bikes, he said he would think and then create them. So that's a wonderful God-given talent that we have here in Africa. So I just want to gather my videos. I don't want to rush the video. I just want to gather those videos, and when they are ready, then I'll bring it out. I want to tighten the editing. I want it to be tight and good, so that when you're watching it, you'll be able to enjoy it. So I'm not going to rush the edit. I'm going to take my time, do it well, so that anytime you watch it, you will appreciate it. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share, like, and comment. And you can see some of my videos. I do travel videos, entertainment, and lifestyle. So sometimes what you see on the cover is not what you are seeing here, but I'm just telling you about my new video that is coming up. So that's it. And tomorrow too, I'm still going out to shoot another video. It's something that I want to do back to back, and then so that I'll have enough to post on my channel, and so that my viewers will enjoy, so that my great subscribers, they will enjoy. You people are great people. Subscribers, you're great people. You're like the king of the game. And especially those who subscribe and still watch. Yeah, even those who subscribe and go away, it's fine. But those who subscribe and still watch, you're great people. Now, if you're watching me here, it would be nice to say hi. I say hi to you, and it would be nice if you can reply to me back, and that would be fine. Just say hi to me, then let's have a conversation. Let me know where you're watching me from, and let's know what you think about my new video. Like in America, they call it pimping. Pimp my ride. So the guy is the kind of guy who pimp bikes. Yeah. It's one that he wrote on his wall. He says, save money and buy bike. So you should save your money and buy a bike. And he uses all those we call it condensed iron. Those ions that they say, this one is not good, this one. He uses them to create anything that he wants to create when it comes to bikes. So he's doing a great job, and I hope you too you will enjoy the video, because it's coming big time. If you want to check him out, you can check Bluebird Construction. Check it and you'll see him. Is very good. and I've been moving around Africa to discover so many things like that. I just started, so you're gonna have like plenty good looking videos about Africa. So guys, get ready for that. If you're ready, let me know. Making videos or creating content is so challenging. Yeah, it's not easy like the way some people think that, oh, you just come, carry your camera, you point there, you shoot, point there, you shoot. But it's not like that. You have to plan your shoot, get people that will assist you, because it's not a one-man business. You alone, you cannot do it. So you have to plan your channel, get people that will shoot, help you shoot, and then not just people who are good. It's not people that will come and destroy your production. So another thing is the capital. Yeah, you need capital to do this. If you don't have enough capital, the challenge is always there. Like me now, I'm a photographer. This is my experience. Yeah, when I get money from photography, I reduce part of the money, put in content creating. That's what I do. When I make money from photography, I bring it, put it in my YouTube channel. That's what I do. And because I don't have any sponsorship, I'm the sponsor of myself. I sponsor myself. So sometimes you have so many content that you want to create, but because of what? Finance, you don't have enough money to do it. So, and that is slowing a lot of people down, having this kind of experience and way to start and when to start and how to start. It's a big challenge. It's not easy. It's not easy. But I believe everybody is trying to make a difference here in everything they do. Even YouTube and all those, everybody's trying to make a difference, because looking at it, like, the money is not put there for you to go get. Yeah? Sometimes you spend money, you make a video, funny enough, you don't see views. Nobody will watch your video. Sometimes you feel sad, but that is the reality of life. You have to face it. If you make a video, somebody watch, thank God. If they don't watch, still thank God, because it's a process. And when you start the process, start the progress, and then you see the change. But when you give up, like, people are not watching my videos, you don't have to give up on this platform, because a lot of people who have made it on this platform, they started like us. So we come in today, say, oh, I will give up because no views, no whatever. You don't have to give up. Let us keep creating this content. It's very important. At the end of the day, we are all going to do what? Smile. And you say, oh, I'm happy. I really thank God that I did not give up on my content creating. But if you give up, then you don't have a testimony. But when you stay and fight and create content, no matter what, whether it's convenient, whether it's inconvenient for you, you create content. Why are you doing that? You are doing that because you want to reach out to people. You want people to get the information that they need to get. And we content creators, what we have to offer is to tell people what they don't know, or throw more light on what they have not seen. Can you see? What's the meaning of that? I cannot just say anything before, at least before I say something, I should know the meaning before I say it. All right? So let me know the meaning. If I know the meaning, I will say it, but if I don't know it, I will not say it. So the challenge is much when if you don't have Z about YouTube, you will give up. But me, I'm here to tell you, do not give up on your YouTube dreams. Yeah? Keep creating content. It's very important so that one day you'll be happy that what's the meaning? Roman. What's the meaning? You'll be happy that you did not give up. But if you give up, that's gonna be bad. Well, I'm not gay, so forget it. It's a food. What kind of food? When you say it's a food, what kind of food? So as I was saying, all the YouTubers, everybody, they have their story, and when they start telling you their story, you will see and you will understand what people are going through. But if they don't tell you, you will not understand. So what am I saying? Let us create content. Don't give up. Let me slide. So a bunch of banda.
Thinking that direction.
Oh God. What can you do? You gonna enjoy you. Actually, I'm back here. The Ulumba forum. Cool. I'm going on Hannah. The minutes say, but here now. The Ulumba Jimmy Kai. You need to rest. I will continue tomorrow. I don't have Snapchat. So places are broke or people.
Okay. Around what time?
Can we go by 9?
Yeah, we can.
See, 9 is fine.
Fine. I think all the whole Shima opinion must have felt that on site prayer.
That's the problem. Can I make peanut? I mean, need Beman can call and go number. Don't even have anybody there that will ask. Well,
Try to check this guy out.
don't cry. You get question on Facebook. I don't know whether they are still doing it or not. Data will be. That I'll put it all over.
Check on what else to need.
Rom, I don't know what you're talking about, so Rom, I'm gonna walk it down and go. Well, thank you so much for joining. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. And if you have any good question, ask. I just want to talk to you about my new video that is coming up. That is all. So you're all welcome to my YouTube channel. Oh, thank you for subscribing. God bless you. Thank you so much.
Can I tell you?
Yeah. Kwa bo amiga. Tishi mi do awon. Bu yamba mba hamba ni yamba kwa shi. And the gama wound up. So we'll buy another one. Cool one, right? Okay. Don't go to yam.
So, can I reply with some more? Or broccoli?
Okay. It's all right. All right, thank you. English or Spanish? I speak English. I don't speak Spanish. I wish I know how to speak Spanish, but I don't know how to speak Spanish, so I speak English. That's what I speak. Español. Oh, thank you so much, guys, for coming. Thank you so much for watching. You're talking about gay. I'm not gay, all right? I'm not gay, and I don't do gay. Please, with due respect. I don't understand what you mean, bro. Like, seriously, I don't understand what you mean, man. Nanyakalu Primary School, we teacher Maluhe Makunku Pukarata. I'm in Nigeria. Kasankralu headquarter, we economy Benue, Abba Nyanga Hinya, Kape Dunjana. Thank you. Kaka, Bele never. You purpose what Tony Hudu Krakara. He must say, don't remember Yemen, Peru Yemala. Says he is a short I was Oh, Denmark. Oh, Denmark is a beautiful country. Wow. Denmark. Wow. Denmark is a good country. Actions have consequences. Well, I don't. Yeah, I'm still growing up. So when I grow up enough, when I have enough, yeah, I can do about them. Yeah. But now I don't have the money for now. But when I'm ready, when I have the money, then I can travel as far to Denmark and then make videos. Government no ne vihi oleveo. Government ne une vihi oleveo. Ali yari bebe. Ahi de vihi sakrave. Ne fie woti mahe wone count for quiet. Nyɛ ɔfancho yalan kile te do tan kaswa do tanu meeting version ba ku kwenye mtanga. Uwa hene we shie kumo kwa ka utu kahi. Eka shie owa moru ka we emba pas ne ba ku vitene. Mso me fane ne ka shie. O mona ni wosi be ha kwa laga. O mona ni kuwe be ha kwa laga. Kamene. Every person by Google again, she will revile, she will not in Ghana the Yam the harvest show. Yang, who will wait to look at you. And I never call you Babu, just even Nanane. Now, the key, how are you getting to give her a tie? Babu said it. So, do you know a football club name in FCT Midland? No, I don't know. I don't know. Funny enough, I'm not getting myself into football like that, so I'm sorry if you ask me about football. If you don't know, please just patient with me, yeah. I don't have enough understanding about football. Oh, they have a goalkeeper in Nigeria. Wow, that's good. That's very good. Denmark. So one day I will visit Denmark then. I will see you. Yes, I will. Definitely. Yes, my household. How far? How far now? I'm fine, thank you. In the name of Suja. Wait. That's what I'm going to later, Jiraga. Okay. Wait, name for how long? So that's the same thing about bill. That's serious. How to do it? Do daddy. Do daddy one mama. Do daddy. Oh, do daddy. And do mommy. And do daddy. And do mommy. Do daddy. Yeah, nah. Thank you. On the do daddy, and you do daddy, and you do mommy, and the do daddy. Do daddy. What's okay? So we have one. Okay, then do it. Yeah. Do. Do. Say something now. Yeah, then do it. Yeah. Oh. You know, Ivana. Oh. You will be humble. Stop crying. Stop crying. Salon in yoga. Salon in yoga. What's I now? So the phone will still have battery. Fully charged. And the way while I'm saying behind yourself. It went well. Successful. I think Bemaza Buruku. Because I don't make video by a lower channel when I record. Channel kilo too dry. Bemaza Kauna, I'm going to quack and have a room of fan. So, Williams are going along the local kitty, man. Your head was no logo she made video. James are going along a local kitty. Was some law logo here she made video. You jingle. No door, you know. You don't have to door. The dog wasn't the dog. Every given opportunity you have, you make use of it. So, I'm so after how you gonna see him. The him broke. Então, você vai por esse desabolo com o chap. Não, o bamba. They're living well. They're living well. Quase a yoga. E aí, qual? E aí, qual? What's the area? Man, come over here, fridge. You got them. Okay. Please. Okay, it's all right. And that healing. Okay, very much. Keep that. If the slide, I would have said you should read that for me. But what's on there? What will I say? Bigak banana. If not bigak banana. Okay. Okay. That day I want to eat in yamshu. Yeah. Yamshu is good for the. You know, yamshu is good for the body now. She will hear me, I'm over on the door. Hey, how do I tell him? Shem do the yellow option, shem do I'm yellow of him so. So in the afternoon, be away with your call man who zero and very more year. Because oh, in your yaman longer. Carry dome sun shower. I the flea now. I go there, I go to job and she go be happy. I'll just be laughing. Yes, so I miss all of you. Some come back. Well, some come back. Maybe next week, Tomotana and Molo Hakmunda. Beyond. The Jira chap by you. On the car, and question, you know, now Tomogan. I'm ziggy Tomogan. Your kilo flowing, full. It's alright. He'll enjoy your more. Yes, baby. Yes, indeed. Alright, you people should take care of yourself. Bye-bye. I love you all. Again, by being so much, I love you. So I have to say I love you all. Okay, my wife, I love you. On the door, I love you. It's alright. Yeah, bye for now. Alright, so you said this is your channel. Alright, let me check it and subscribe to your channel. Sorry, I was on my call. I was on call with my wife, so that's why I was kind of quiet. Room 4733. Is that okay? 3838. What do you do on your YouTube channel? Let me see. You're a gamer. Is this your channel? I think this is your channel. I'm gonna subscribe. See, I'm subscribing to your channel. Oh yeah. I've subscribed. Okay, let me just look at your videos. What you have posted so far. Is this your boy? Or you are the one? Or your parents are from Ukraine, so you're from Denmark? Okay, I'm looking at your videos right now, so speak Dutch, Ukraine, okay. Wow, that's good. This is the one I'm watching. How old are you? Roman, how old are you? You are 10. You are 10, okay. That's good. Welcome to my channel, guys. Just tell me where you're watching me from. I will shout out to you. Okay. That'll be fine. Alright guys, I have to go. I need to go for a break, alright? I'm kind of hungry now. I need to get something to eat. I'm so hungry right now. Hey, no. Here. I'm over here. You were na jiri kion monguva e kion e TV kiviti ujidoration ujide egbasha muji go agbona e na mo be work kwa mo ma ha taking game na e de kwora ngo gwora ka iwe doga gwora ka iwe doga gwora ka iwe doga mbo na halaga ka machine ole nvi aga Angwe. Okay. Margarine. Ooh. Oh wow. Okay. Sorry, move on. Mm. So guys, thank you so much very much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for staying with me up to this time. I'm sorry I was on call trying to talk to people, family members, something like that. So I'm sorry I was not like giving you the time you want. So Roma, my friend, all the way from Denmark, sorry, all the way from Denmark. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Denmark is a good YouTuber who just started. He speaks Spanish, Dutch, and Ukraine. Yeah, so support his channel, watch his videos, and then subscribe to his channel. You know, he's coming up, so let's support Denmark. Am I right? let's support Roman. Sorry, I'm saying Denmark. Sorry, everybody, subscribe to his YouTube channel and. Oh, he speak Dutch and Ukrainian. Yeah, these are the language he speak, Dutch and Ukrainian. So whosoever is here, thank you, thank you, thank you. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, and you can watch some of my videos. I'm still working on some of my videos. Yeah, right now I'm in a hotel where I travel to shoot videos. So I'm in a hotel. I'm going to stay for like 3 days before I go back from where I come from. So it's YouTube that sent me here because I want to give you guys content. So that's why I'm here to create content. It's an intro, so you don't have to be long. But do you want me to make it like 5 seconds or maybe 10 seconds? Please subscribe to my channel. If you love this channel, subscribe. Yeah, if you don't love this channel, please don't subscribe. But if you love this channel, subscribe. Well, I'll check it later when I'm back. I want to go and eat, so I'm kind of hungry right now. So when I come back, I'll check your channel. All right. Your video is all about what, Roman? Don't worry. Do you speak English or you don't speak English? If you speak English, then maybe one day we'll do a collaboration. Yeah, we'll do a live video together. If you speak English. Welcome guys, welcome guys, welcome guys, welcome everybody, welcome. I greet you especially all my wonderful subscribers, my wonderful viewers. I love you guys. You are just the best. Yeah, you can send me a super chat, super thanks, and you speak German English. Okay, beautiful. You can send me super chat, super thanks, and you can take my membership if you want. Today, every day I come to this channel, I have people that I make friends with. The other day it was somebody from Philippines, and today is somebody from Denmark. So I'm happy to be here again with my friend from Denmark. Thank you guys for joining. So happy to have you here today. This is special. And you too, my brother. You're a good person too. You're welcome, bro. But Rome, I hope you understand how YouTube works here. If you want me to teach you some little things about YouTube, I will help you out. All right? On this platform, we're here to help each other. No problem. I'll do that. I'll do that. No problem. All right. Thank you so much. I will see you later. I have to go for now. Bye-bye.